There's my car doors. Nice. How beautiful that door is. There's the door that was hit. Both the doors were hit in that T-bone very recently. Pretty good match. I am pretty happily impressed. The only difference is this is clear glass and I have tinted, so I'm gonna have to replace or change out the glass, and the door itself is gross. All right, so I just put this door on. It's so incredibly easy. It's just a couple of bolts. I took out that bolt, which made it easy. And then I undid those two, dropped off the old door, put the new door on. I am gonna have to take out the this inside here and swap it out. And now I'm gonna do the same thing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this door that was crunched in. All we're gonna do is the same thing. We're gonna take that bolt off, and then we have 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there, drop the door, unplug that, and then hang the new door. When I say unplug that, we're going to unplug these that are plugged in right here. And all we're going to do is bolt everything back on. I mean, it's so easy peasy, it's ridiculous. All right, so we're going to take this part off right here, which is by the emergency brake, to show you this. And you might have to take this part off too to get to it. So what we're going to have to do now is unplug this, this, and this, so we can get the whole door out. All right, after you get those unplugged, and we're going to push those through. And make sure somebody's holding the door for you. And we're going to pull all this out. All right, so there we go. Everything's unbolted. Now we're going to move the door. Look at that. See? It's so easy, it's ridiculous. All right, so this is the replacement door. Just freaking gross and stuff. And what we're going to do is we're going to push that wiring harness back through there. This harness through and get it on the other side and plug it in. All right, so these are now clipped in. I push that tight. Now we're going to line up these and put the bolts in. Okay, once that's all bolted in like that, then we're going to take this and we're going to bolt that back to here. There we go.
Nice.
The car is fixed and we have a dog in the car. Tomorrow we are going to take out these panels, the glass, the panels in glass. We're going to change out the locking mechanism. We're going to install this side mirror on the driver's side. And my car doors are perfect, beautiful, and everything blends in. I just got to put that mirror on and get the thing washed. I'm telling you, awesome. All right, so today we're going to be installing a hitch on a 2005 Toyota Prius. And I got this on Amazon for about $70, which is also including shipping. It also came with the bolts, but all right, so after I loosen them up, they easily come down. There's one. Let's go to the other. Alright, so that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. And there we go. Now, let's put the hitch up here. Alright, so I'm just kind of holding this up with my knees. Just slightly put these things in here. And now I'm going to take the other two. And I'm going to just hold this up as I am maneuvering over this way. As you can see, I'm doing this with one hand. Just gonna hold this up here with my knees. I'm going to put the screws through here. Alright, so just finger tighten these things. And now I'm going to get the big gun. And these are 17 millimeter. And then we torque it down to 35 foot-pounds or 47 newton meters. Look how nice this looks. I am pretty darn happy with that. And when it's down on the ground, that's about all you can see right there. And this is 1 1/4 inch. Now, the reason why I got that is because I have this right here, my bicycle carrier. However, that's a 2 inch. So I got an adapter. It goes in here like that. So now it's a 2 inch. And now I can put my bikes on the back of my Prius. And the dog too. It's really sticks out kind of far. A bit further than I thought it was going to.